Moomoo Financial Tool Full Review. Features, strengths, links to Moomoo and related resources are in the description. Moomoo is a commission-free trading platform that provides advanced trading tools, educational resources, and powerful market data for self-directed investors and active traders. It's ideal for those looking to trade stocks, options, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies with access to real-time data and research without the burden of fees. Moomoo differentiates itself by offering a sophisticated yet easy-to-use platform for both beginners and experienced traders, making it one of the most popular brokers for those looking for a comprehensive trading experience. Features. Moomoo provides users with a fully customizable trading interface, offering advanced charting tools, real-time market data, and in-depth research from top providers like Morningstar and Zacks. The platform supports both stock and options trading, with features like options flow data, level 2 market data, and extended trading hours for those who want to stay ahead of market moves. Moomoo also offers a free paper trading feature, making it easy for beginners to practice and learn before jumping into live trades. For active traders, it includes advanced order types like trailing stops and stop limit orders. The platform also features social trading capabilities, where users can share strategies and insights with a community of traders. Who is it for? Moomoo is perfect for both beginner and intermediate traders who want a feature-packed platform with advanced tools without the fees. It's especially useful for options traders and those who appreciate having access to real-time market data and research. Active traders and those looking for an interactive trading experience will also appreciate the customizable features and paper trading options. However, advanced investors looking for more complex analysis or institutional-level trading tools may find the platform a bit limiting. Strengths. Commission-free trading. No fees for stocks, options, or ETFs. Advanced tools and data. Includes level 2 market data, options flow, and advanced charting. Paper trading, a great feature for beginners to practice risk-free. Social trading, engage with a community of traders to share strategies. Mobile app, smooth, user-friendly mobile trading platform. Weaknesses, limited research tools, lacks in-depth research tools for professional traders. Not ideal for long-term investors, more focused on active, short-term traders. Limited asset classes, lacks access to commodities or forex trading. Final verdict. Moomoo is an excellent commission-free platform for active traders, especially those who trade options or prefer real-time market data. Its user-friendly design, educational tools, and advanced trading features make it a solid choice for both beginners and more experienced traders. While it may not offer the in-depth research or asset classes of other platforms, Moomoo delivers great value for those focused on fast-paced active trading. Links to Moomoo and alternatives are in the description. Check them out to find the best platform for your needs. If this review helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.